Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to quickly and correctly adjust your copper ring PEX crimping tool. Now, you're going to know if you need the tool to be recalibrated, right, by using your go and no-go gauge. If you are, for example, using the go gauge, this is supposed to be able to go in all the way as you use it, right? Just like that. But for some reason it's getting hung up, you need to adjust your crimping tool, all right? Now, in order to do that, what we need to do is flip the tool over, and you're going to remove the these clips here. One clip, the clip that's on the other side of this turn wheel here. Now, originally I removed it and I kind of deformed the clip. I'm using this E-clip just in the meantime, right? So you remove the E-clip, right? That was kind of easy because I have the E-clip's a little too big. But now what you're going to do is push this button down, right? It's going to pop the cam out. Now you can do it with it closed like this, but there's tension in this cam. So what you're going to do is kind of open the clamp. So pull the handle back just a little bit, right? So what you see is you want about, I don't know, 1/8 of an inch. You just don't want it touching. You want some sort of tension on the handle. And I do this by putting this handle on my hip, just like that, right? I pull back just a little bit to keep this open, and then I press the back side of the cam. You're gonna see this pop up. Boom, right? Now we can adjust it, right? If we need more clamping power, you're gonna go counterclockwise. Just follow the arrows, right? Let's just say I need it to adjust it, right? And there is still tension, right? So I'm moving it, right? If there's still tension, just move the handle back and forth, and you'll see that it'll help you move it, okay? Now, I want to push it back in, but there's gears here, right? Can you see those gears? Let's see. There's gears here, right, on the back side of it, and they need to mate perfectly to the sprocket on the actual tool. So same thing. You're going to open it up and then push it. Mine went in there pretty easy, but if it does get hung up, right, like I can't press it down, right, because it's not lined up. Push it in as you're pulling and closing the handle. There you go. That's it. Okay? So put the little clip back on there and you're ready to rock and roll. Always, after calibrating it, make sure that you use your go and no-go gauge to make sure that you're still within range, right? You don't want to adjust it too far one way or too far the other way. Also, while I have you guys here, listen, I'm not sponsored by SharkBite or any of these PEX companies, but if you have this tool, you're going to end up in this situation where you need to reuse a plastic elbow, one of the fittings, or you just want to reuse it or remove the copper ring. I've tried cutting it off with a cutoff wheel and it melts it and it gets pretty nasty. These are like $10. Just buy yourself this little tool. Look at this. Boom. You can do it again. Boom. Now, what you got, boom, and this little tool here. This one struggles sometimes. There you go. Boom. That's it. And then you can reuse it. Buy the right tool. Save yourself some heartache. Thank you for watching.